we do tail pose. So I'm just gonna turn around, but you don't have to. Okay, from here, inhale, bend the knees deeply. So deep enough to brush the fingers on the floor. Then come up. So look between the hands. Okay, squeeze your belly in. Point your tailbone down. So don't arch this part. Try to flatten your lower back. Weight on the heels. Look between the hands. Breathe. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. And come up. And release. Okay. Then we do warrior one. So take your feet 3 feet wide. Okay, right foot out. Left foot standing. Bring your left foot just a little bit to the front, long edge of the mat. Step out. Hands on the hips. Square the hip. Face to the right foot. Inhale. Exhale. Bend your front knee deeply. Keep squaring the head. Then lift your left arm. So stretch from the left hand to the left heel. Keep your abs pulled in. Okay, so waist down towards the floor. Now, the other arm is up. Look straight or look between the hands. Okay, you can keep your hands together if you want. Okay, come on. And release. Okay, we change the size. Okay, feet 3 feet. Left foot out. Right foot standing. Bring your right foot a little bit towards the front long edge of the mat. Step out. Hands on the hips. Square the hip. Inhale. Exhale, bend the front knee deeply. Keep squaring the hip, back heel down. Okay, lift your right arm up. So stretch from the right hand to the back heel. Left arm is up. Square the shoulders. Look straight. Or look up. Look between the hands. Okay, come on. And release.